turn back to those times of life. Make me a child again, just for tonight. And between these covers, we find these important faces. Sleeping Beauty. Remember the lovely princess who bewitched into a deep slumber until her Prince Charming came to break the spell?
Come on, wake up, wake up! You're leaving good for nothing! Come on, wake up!
Tom Thumb, a little boy who got his name because he was no bigger than a man's thumb. Let's pay this interesting family a visit. Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Thumb. Where's little Tom? Are you Tom Thumb?
Yeah, that's me.
Why, I thought you were no bigger than a man's thumb. How did you get so big?
Vitamin B1.
The Grasshopper and the Ant. The story of the industrious little ant and the lazy grasshopper. The bad boy of the fairy tale. The boy who cried wolf.
Whoa! Whoa! Help! Help! The wolf! Whoa! Help! Help! Whoa!
There's a lad who can stand some discipline. He'll learn his lesson someday. Jack and the Beast. The story of the boy who climbed the beanstalk, only to be met at the top by a ferocious two-headed giant who forced Jack to run for his life. Dang! You almost had it. Why did you quit? The wolf in sheep's clothing, the fifth columnist of his day. By means of a disguise, he preyed upon unsuspecting little sheep.
Scram, bum! I'm going to this side of the pasture.
The Arabian Nights gave us the story of Aladdin and his wonderful lamp. All Aladdin had to do was to rub the lamp and presto, the genie appeared.
I dream of teeny weeny light brown hair. I dream of teeny weeny light brown hair.
There's that nasty kid again. Hey, young fella. You're going to yell wolf once too often.
Hey, go on, let's go. business. Come here, I have a little fun.
The woodshed wouldn't do that boy any harm. And here's a bird you wouldn't mind having in your own home. A goose that lays golden eggs. Hey, wait a minute. You're supposed to lay golden eggs.
Not anymore, brother. I'm doing my bit for national defense.
Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard. Get her to a dog a bone.
Food hoarder! She's a food hoarder! Food hoarder!
Remember this little nursery rhyme?
This little piggy went for to mark. This little piggy has gone for to sell. This little piggy has had roast beef and smashed potato. And this poor little piggy he don't have anything all kinds of things to eat. And this little piggy has got to crying like that. He said, wee, 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 all the way.
For crying out Pete's sake, Mother! Be careful! My corn!
Cinderella and her glass slipper. The little girl...
Oh, help! Help somebody! Help!
Uh-oh. He's at it again.
Whoa! Whoa! Help! Help the wall!
Is that fox crazy? Hey, you. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's fighting you, anyhow?
What's fighting me? What's fighting me? Look, I was up at the cabin the other day, just getting myself a bite of lunch. I'm minding my own business when...
This program is brought to you each day through the courtesy of the Sterling Silver Fox Farm. Ladies, this is the year for foxes. Yes, foxes have really come into their own. Wherever you see smartly dressed people, you'll see foxes this season. On Fifth Avenue, on Hollywood Boulevard, yes, and even Miami. The discriminating woman everywhere will insist on having a genuine fox around her neck. Now don't forget, ladies, for the best in foxes, go to the Sterling Silver Fox Farm.
ouch! Oh, 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 agony! Agony! Oh, 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 get me out of here! Oh, 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 ouch, ouch, oh, oh. Ah, in the trap something. Parbleu! Get out of my trap, ragged muffins! Silver fox. Silver! Not worth it enough breeze like you. Scram, stupid, get out! Look at this. Genuine silver fox. Beautiful. Magnifique. Mrs. Barlow will plant it for you, little buddy. Practically you are sold already quick. We must come out of here tonight, see? 9 o'clock. Your winners can eat you. Getting out of here? Out of here? Oh, no. I just got in here. I'm practically sold already. Yeah, to Mrs. Van Doe. He said so. Hey, you nuts. Now listen, bub. They're all going out, see? And you're with us. Or... I'd like to go with you, sure. I want to go with you. But, the door's locked. I can't get out. No key. No key? 9 o'clock or... Come on, Bob. Get going. This skin reserved for Silver Fox Cake for Mrs. Skin. Cake? Cake? How will they give it all for me? No, they can't do this to me. I don't want to be no cape. I didn't never want to be no cape. I just want to get out of here. Come back here! Wait, you! Chums, you don't want me. I'm no silver fox. I never was a silver fox. Look, no silver. Silver schmilver, as long as you're a fox. And that's what's fighting. That's what. Yeah, will I? What's the rush? I'm not going to hurt you. Look what I got for you. Later, listen, you can have all the cheese you want. Oh, not too much. Okay. There. And that's better. Now get going.
That catty done told me out there in the kitchen. That catty done told you what? Oh, he's come here to save us and not to enslave us. That cat's the rat just the same. Oh, no, kid. That cat is a two-face, a dangerous thing who leaves to sing the blues in the night. Please take my advice and don't be naughty nice. Appease the or he'll get offended. He wants to protect us from the ones who wrecked us. Please, dear. He wants to protect us. That's what I've been saying. He does be fine. Then hurry and sign a truce. Go fine.
Wanted something, but you didn't know what it was?
Yeah, oh sure. I always get that feeling too.
I know. I want a nice, fat, tender mouse.
Yes, sir. One nice fat tender mouse. Look at them run.
You're a nice, fat, tender mouse. You'll do.
Shark. Grit your teeth, show some fight, and the stuff that you're made of. Remember to never say die.
We'll do more than that. Let's get rid of that cat.
All in favor, say aye. Aye.
We did it before and we can do it again, and we will do it again. We've got a heck of a job to do, but you can bet it will see it through. We did it before and we can do it again, and we will do it again. We're one for all and for all for one, together making before we're done. And the boys and the ringing, ringing as we march along. We did it before and we can do it again, and we will do it again. We'll knock them over and then we'll get the giant back to friends. We did it before, we'll do it again.
Now listen, men. The back is out of a guy. You better leave it slide and touch it off the stuff, see? And remember, above all, to add it over Jerry Jibbo, reckon up Fosco, Fanny Schnipper, and L on a Philagadoosia. You got that? Okay.
gives me extreme pleasure to present our interpretation of a familiar fairy tale entitled The Big Bad Wolf and the Three Little Pigs, set to the delightful music of Johannes Brahms' Hungarian dances. As the scene opens, we find the three little pigs building their respective houses.
I'm the little pig that built my house of stuff. I'm the little pig that built my house of sticks. All right now, children, follow me. Patrick, say, Polly want a cracker.
Wally on whacker. No. Golly on whacker. No. Polly want a cracker.
Yes, you're doing fine, Patrick. Now, Patricia, honey, you try it.
Polly. Polly want a cracker.
That's nice, honey. Now, Peter, be a nice boy and say, Polly want a cracker.
I don't want a cracker, see? I want to be a sailor like me pop, see?
Huh, like your pop. Why, that seafaring homewrecker, that high seas hitchhiker, a fine father he's been, the sea-going slob, a sailor. Why, let me tell you something. When your father and I were first married, we lived in the Canary Islands. Then the stork brought you lovely children. Oh, and I was oh so happy. But your father, the rum-soaked old seagull, couldn't stand being anchored in one harbor for 5 minutes. So he slipped his moorings and set sail for Hawaii.
No, Ma, it was Catalina.
Oh, yes. Set sail for Catalina. I used to burn a little light in the window. Hoping that someday he'd come back. But he never did, the needle brain. Now, Peter, now you don't want to be a sailor, do you?
Yes.
What?
What you make? Well, see, I'm building a boat, see, and I'm putting out to sea, see, because,
Today I am a man.
see?
Oh boy, can I go? Can I be a sailor? I want to be a sailor. Will you let me be a sailor? Can I go with you?
Okay, matey, but you gotta remember, see, I am the captain's kid. I do the things my old man did. For I'm the kid, the captain's kid, and half a buccaneer. All aboard, come on, by heck. Your job will be to scrub the deck, or else I'll twist your leather neck, for I'm a buccaneer. Shaboy! Raise up pirate's flag. When we get the swag, we'll sail for Treasure Island. That's where I'll hide the gold and keep it there till I grow old. There's not a pirate half as bold, for I'm the captain's kid. See? This picture is kind of like Mutiny on the County, don't you think? Or don't you?
Ain't I the talkingest little guy? I want to splashing or swimming. It's lots of fun. sissy.
Oh, my baby boy. Are you all right? I knew you'd get in trouble. Now, you don't want to be a sailor, do you?
Yeah.
What?
Now, what would you do with a child like that?
Champion, bringing you lowlights in the world of sport. Archery is one of the most ancient of sports. Here is a modern Robin Hood in action. A bullseye, another bullseye, and another, and another. Indeed, a true champion. A favorite indoor sport which requires a steady hand and perfect timing is billiards. Let's watch this difficult shot. Popular indoor sport. Each winter, ski jumpers from all over the world go to Lake Placid to test their skill. This is considered to be the highest, longest, and most treacherous ski jump ever constructed. Only those with iron nerve and daredevil courage ever attempt this hazardous feat. And now, about to undertake this perilous jump is Pavo Nervy. Good luck, old man. Happy landing. The high hurdle race is one of the most exciting events of a track and field meet. We're just in time to see the start of the 120 high hurdle race. And they're off. Aquabelles get in the swim for the Women's National Championship. And here's the finish of the 50-yard freestyle race. This attractive miss is the new women's champion. Basil Barracuda, former Olympic star, demonstrates a few swimming strokes. He shows you the breaststroke. And the backstroke. And now the crawl. For grace and beauty, nothing excels perfect dive. This is the jackknife dive. The beautiful swan dive. And here is another very popular dive. Crew racing is a sport that requires flawless timing and teamwork. Notice their perfect precision. The 6-day bicycle race is an annual event at Madison Round Garden.
Monotonous, isn't it?
Baseball, the national pastime. Let's take a glance glance at that popular catcher, Gabby Hairnet, in action.
Come on, old boy, put it right in there, old kid. Oh, give me old doctor right down the middle, old boy, right in the old groove, old kid. Come on, old boy, can't see it all, kid. Put it right in there, old boy. Little cover up there. Tuck it up there now. Come on, let's go. Now,
That's the pitching in there, old kid.
come on, old kid, get him in there, out of the old boy. Let's go. That's the old kid right there, old boy. Give me the old ball. Come on, put it on top of it. Come on, kid. Come on, put it in there. Come on, let's go.
That's the old pepper in there, kid.
Football attracts such capacity crowds that seating has become a problem. Now here is the latest ideal stadium, the dream of every football fan, where every seat is on the 50-yard line. Now we go down to the field and show you a few exciting moments from this thrilling game.
Signals. 18, 36, 52, 27, height.
And there goes whatchamacallit through the center of the line, and there's a pile up. Is it a touchdown? Did he make it? Is it a touchdown? Is it?
Could be.
For the benefit of those in the audience who couldn't follow the play, we'll explain it by means of this animated diagram. From a box formation, the backfield shifts into a modified T formation. The left half runs out into the flat zone. The tailback drops back into the left wing position. The quarterback drops back into the tailback position. Ball is snapped back to the fullback as the running guard pulls out of the line. The right end takes out the left tackle. Left half laterals to the left wing. Left wing laterals to the left halfback. The right half tosses shovel pass against the 2-2 on defense. Tackle takes out the flanker man. Center blocks out the right guard. The center passes the ball. Tackle goes around in. Signals called. Forward pass to fullback. Left end catches the pass. Fumbles the ball. Center blocks out the guard. Spins the tackle. Quarterback straight out the end. Run for that touch. And there you are. And now the event of events. The Indianapolis Speed Class. We're in the last lap of this grueling race. Car number 65 is in the lead, followed by car number 17. And here comes a midget car. And now here comes the winner across the finish line. Let's get a close-up of the victor. Won't you say a few words?
Done that.
Wonderful morning, great morning, fine day, wonderful morning. Just said that, didn't I? Fine morning. Time to get up now, gotta get him up. Getting late. Can't sleep all day, you know, no. Can't sleep all day, no. I don't sleep all day myself. Insomnia.
Mice.
That'll never do. Gotta get a mice trap. Yes, gotta get a mice trap. Let's see, now that makes 2 mice traps. I'll speak to the governor about that. I'll have those mice paroled. Get high, Lug. Just get a load of that sea air. No, no, you can't do this to me. Come on. No, anything but this. Come on. It'll all be over in a minute.
You sure got a tough of whiskers, buddy. Watch this.
Who threw that?
Who wants to know? Why don't you bounce that ball off his dome?
Drop that ball.
Two o'clock. 2 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 o'clock.
Night long I've been dreaming and scheming a way to escape. The warden and guards, they all bore me. Life in prison was never meant for me. Although I hate to leave my cell, matey.
It's okay, but we are under attack.
My loving buddies are sorry, so very sorry, warden dear. But I'm screaming from here. And now I am going to go. Yes, I am going to scram. Yes, I'm going to go, I'm going to scram, I'm going to take it on the lamb. Bye!
Bye-bye. Nice voice, great fine. He's gone, he escaped. Why don't somebody do something? Hey, that's a good idea. Maybe I can do something. Sure.